So we can look at complex PTSD as just our brains misfiring. When we experience this misfiring, our amygdala, that part of our brain responsible for detecting threats, goes into overdrive. This can leave us feeling stuck, unable to access logical and reasoning parts of our brain. It's important to remember that this is a natural response to trauma. The good news is that there are things that we can do to help ourselves to feel safer and more grounded. One way is through grounding techniques, such as just breathing exercises, taking a walk, journaling, connecting to nature, exercise. These techniques can help us connect with the present moment and calm our nervous system. Another helpful approach is to change the question that we ask ourselves. Instead of asking, where is the danger? And our brain is happy to tell us, we can change the question to, what do I need to feel safe? And whatever the answer that comes back is, do more of those things. Then we can ask ourselves, what do I need to feel safe moving forward? This can help us shift our focus away from finding danger to finding solutions, and help direct us to take better action, better care of ourselves, to help us find our own solutions, to help us feel more safe and secure. When we think about what we can do to help ourselves feel safe, a new list of action items will appear. And then we can start implementing those action items. From a regulated state, we can make better decisions. And with better decisions, our life becomes better.